Hi everyone and welcome back. Oh my goodness, it's been a while. For the ones of you that have stuck with me that did not unsubscribe, thank you so very much. And for the new ones that did hit the subscribe button, welcome and thank you very much. Here I'm just trying to bring in a little bit of spring with this beautiful wooden butterfly cutout that I purchased from Michael's. I'm using colors from Arteza and from DecoArt today and from Folk Art just to give this butterfly some shine. I'm just coloring in the panels with these different colors. Again, like I said, just to really make it sparkle and shine. Here I'm using matte black from DecoArt Enchanted collection because that will be the background for the butterfly before I add on the top coat that's gonna really make it shine once that resin gets poured on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I thank you for the ones that stayed around and the ones that decided to subscribe because you saw something that you enjoyed. So if you're new and you're not subscribed and you're checking me out for the first time, hello, welcome. My name is April. I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so when I do drop new videos, you are well aware of it, okay? Here, I'm just adding that final top coat to give it some sparkle and shine once that resin is poured on top of it. Again, had to take a step away, just, get that mental health in check. So I'm still here, just making it through like everybody else. So I appreciate you all. Time for the counterculture DIY artist resin to be poured in and on all over this beautiful butterfly to really give it that lasting shine. So it only has one coat on right now, but I do plan on putting on another coat. But so far it looks amazing and I'm loving it. All right, if you guys are loving it, smash the like button, comment below, and don't forget to share. And here we go. Look at that. Oh, amazing. It's gorgeous. All right, guys, this is it for now, and I will see you on the next one. Love and peace to you all, and don't forget, keep creating, keep being amazing, and if you need a mental break, take it, because we all need it. It's something that is important to keep us going, keep us thriving, and keep us surviving in this crazy world. All right, I've rambled on enough. Love you all. Peace.